With Digital Joy contesting, you can engage your audience by creating custom sweepstakes and entry-based contests your users can participate in. Further boost engagement by encouraging it through an increased number of entries to the contest, receive submissions and entries from your users, and finally, pick a random winner out of the entrants to your campaign. To start, click on the New Campaign button at the top right. From here, you will have access to a number of different settings that will help you create your contest. First, we can set up a background image by clicking the Background button and selecting a file to attach a background image for our contest. Now that we have a background, we can add a form to our contest by clicking the Form button. From here, you can add a wide range of fields you want your users to fill in order to participate in your contest. And to add them to your form, all you need to do is simply drag and drop it there. You can resize a field by dragging from the blue icon on the right. By clicking on the red trash icon, you can delete a field. And by clicking on the green pencil icon, you can edit a field. For example, in this case, you can make the first name field required or not. Every field has a wide range of customizability. For example, in the age field, you can set up a minimum age, or the upload field, which allows users to upload videos or images. We can also make a number of visual customizations like the size and color of our fields. Once you're done creating the form, you can place it anywhere you want on the page. To help align the elements of your page, you can click on the Show Grid button and also invert the grid colors to help see the grid better in certain backgrounds. You can enter the name of your contest through the campaign name section here, and you can modify the default width of your form here. You can add text to your page by clicking the Text button up above. Clicking the Share button allows you to add a section to your contest where your users will be able to gain additional entries to win the contest by completing certain tasks you define, such as sharing, following, or liking a certain social media page. All of this is, of course, completely customizable on the back end, where you're able to define the tasks the user needs to complete and the number of additional entries they would get after completing them. After this is added, you will see separate sections for your main page and your engagement page. Similarly, you can add a sponsor section after this by clicking the Sponsor button above. Here you can create additional branding, which can help you re-engage your users in the future. To further customize the page, you can use the above menu to add a gallery, images, timers, polls, and also add your terms and conditions to your page. You can click on the Save button in order to save your campaign. You can view all your campaigns by clicking the Campaigns button on the left. After you are done creating your campaign, you can make it available by publishing it. Click on the three-dot button on your campaign and click Publish. From here, select an available app to push to, and you have access to various settings, such as if you want to schedule or publish it now, whether you want the entries of your users to be limited, and in the Advanced tab, you can set up a maximum amount of entries. Once you are done, you can click Publish to publish your campaign. The link to your campaign can be then found by clicking on the three-dot menu on the right and clicking on the Embed button. Here you will have access to iframe embed codes to your campaign. Going through your campaign link, you will see your contest as you have set it up. Here, your users will be able to fill in the fields and enter your contest. And as previously set up, they can complete tasks such as sharing or following pages in order to get more entries towards the contest. After this, the users can press Done, and we'll see the final branding page we set up earlier. To see the submission of your users, you can simply click on the campaign, within which you can see, sort, and delete all of the entries of your users. By clicking on the rightmost button, you can get access to all of the analytics for your campaign, the data of which you can also download as a CSV. Finally, you can get a winner of your campaign by clicking on the rightmost button, selecting Get Winner, selecting the time range of entrants, and clicking Get Winner. You will get a random user weighted by the number of entries that they have, and if you are happy with the result, you can click Save Winner to save this user as the winner of this campaign.